Okay, I can't wait to show you how I did this one. I start off by putting a titanium white in the background, and the colors I'm going to be using are jet black and iridescent colors. They are sunflower, wild purple, aqua violet, gold interference pearl, and ivy green blue. As you can see, I am just putting layers after layers, not touching each other, but next to each other. So swipe in semicircular motion. Ivy green blue. Now my blow dryer. Now I do move my blow dryer left and right as well as it's naturally blowing straight because I want to create wave-like motions with the hairdryer. Now for the center of it, you can see sunflower, wild purple, and just layering it over itself and next to itself within that titanium white background as well. And I take that blow dryer, and again, you can see slightly moving to the right and to the left to give little indications of the textures of this flower. The leaves in the center, I want them to have a little bit of motion beyond just mixing those colors. And I also use my blow dryer to get off the edges that my flower continues on beyond the top palette onto the side of the canvas as well. Again, moving back and forth with that texture with my blow dryer. Always remember to put it on the lower speed and on cool so you're not drying your paint. These acrylic paints are really beautiful. Acrylic pour paint really has that amazing and taking my little fan brush and continue to give a little bit of depth for the leaves around the center of this flower. Check out this giant flower coming through. You can continue to just add a little banana to the center of the flower, going off to its petals. And I just want to make sure the edge of this canvas has enough of that paint that on part of it, it continues that story. Of course, with the white, we just leave it that way, and that negative space to the left is a beautiful contrast. That ivy green blue, just gorgeous against that titanium white. Just finishing, putting that paint on the side so that story continues, and those blooms and the lacing, the texture from the hairdryer goes back and forth. And you know, the center of the flower is never perfect. That's what I love about nature. So it's okay if you don't have exactly perfect center circle. I'm very happy with this beautiful giant flower coming through each of our canvas. As it's starting to dry, put it on my little rack for 24 hours. You can see there's going to be some beautiful bananas that dries together, and here it is. The iridescence are shining, the depth in those blooms continue, the lacing between them. Acrylic pour paint is magical. I love it. Thank you so much for coming with me today as we play with a blow dryer, some gorgeous iridescent paint and techniques to make a flower that's peeking through our canvas. As always, I am wishing you happy acrylic pour painting creations. Have a great day.